1 shoot. So hello friends, I am Maulik Jain of grade 10. Today I am gonna make Matar Paneer in Punjabi style. So friends, I have taken some salts and some spices, some vegetables. You can see it. This is salt to taste. This is turmeric. This is cumin seeds. This is jeera. This is red chili powder, which is in degi mirch. This is paneer. We'll fry it and then put it in cold water. It will give it a juicy and a crispy taste. This is desi ghee, homemade. This is boiled peas. This is tomato puree. I have taken 3 tomatoes and make a puree. This is 2 onions. This is dhania powder. This is ginger garlic paste. This is dhania and all. Now let's start. Let's start with the paneer. I have taken desi ghee and put the paneer cubes in it. After it will be fried, it will look like this. And I put it in cold water. It will give it a juicy and a crispy flavor. You can see. See, it is so much crispy and a perfect shape. This is cold freezed water. So hello, let's make the puree. We'll add 2 tablespoons of desi ghee. Now let us add cumin seeds. Now I am adding fresh onions. Now I am adding ginger garlic paste. Please be careful, it stinks a lot. You can see the color of the onions and the ginger garlic paste. It needs to be crispy and little bit goldenish. You can see. Now I am adding some spices, which will make it more tasty. This is red chili powder. I have taken 2 tablespoons of red chili powder. You can take it more as you wish, as much spicy that you love. Now I am taking turmeric. मुझे पता नहीं चलता. Now I am taking 3 tablespoons of dhania powder. We have to add lots and lots of dhania powder. It will make a good taste. You can see the spices, how good color it has given to my food. Let us roast. color is so nice. Now I'm adding tomato puree. It is made up of 3 tomatoes. You can see. It will stink a lot. Please be careful. Please cook it on medium flame. Now let us cover it for about 10 minutes. Please keep mixing it after every 2 minutes. You can see the tomatoes, how it has given a good texture. Now we can see the tomatoes are fully cooked. Now we can see the tomatoes are fully cooked. Now I'm adding peas in it. Now let's mix it. Please don't take out the water of peas. It is very healthy. Now I'm adding salt. Now let's mix it. Now I'm adding more water. Now let us add paneer cubes. See, the paneer is so much crispy and juicy. Now let us mix it. This is the final step. See, the texture is too good and beautiful. पंजाब हमारे दिल में बसना चाहिए, तभी अच्छा फ्लेवर आएगा। ये रेसिपी सिर्फ पनीर, मटर और हमारे पंजाब पे बेस्ड है। Let's check the salt. It's perfectly fine. Now let us take it in a bowl. Make it a presentable dish. Please give it a like, share it and comment it. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.